So do you think that Instagram algorithm is killing hashtags impressions? Leave your thought in the comment section down below. Yo, what's up guys? It's Mike here. Welcome back to my channel, Mikewenjinsoo. So today I'm bringing you a new series, Draw with Mike. So today I'm actually going to draw something for you guys. Last time I drew it, I ended up drawing this stage right here. Today I have a good topic to speak with you, which is how exactly Instagram update is killing hashtags impressions in the new algorithm. Everyone keep asking that, why my hashtag impressions is getting lower. So how exactly is the situation right here? So let's draw something and speak. First reason is that how there is no more top 9 posts in the top feed anymore. It has become a dual feed, two different tabs. The first one is the top one and the next one is the recent one. And you might be confused how exactly they works. The top feed is just like the Explore page topical channels, don't hide my drawing, tailored based on users' behaviors in the past that interacted with similar type of content. Every single hashtag would never have a repeat top feed and even recent feed, because every user will see different content in the top hashtag for that specific hashtag. If you actually have a post has very minimum likes to compare to all the big posts, you are still able to appear in the top feed. For example, I actually scroll some hashtag with millions of posts. They actually show me a lot, not just one, but a lot of posts that have about, 100 to 200 likes. I'm really surprised by that, because it used to be another case that every marketers or influencers tell you must use hashtag that is small, niched out, and that is not beyond some capacity. Even I mentioned that before. Right now, the hashtag feed, it's really different. You can actually steal a chance with big posts, and those posts are coming from 6 days or 7 days ago, and they're ranking in the top feed in my Instagram account. If you intended to get featured by niche pages, you still have to aim for some capacity, because I believe that niche pages are a little bit tricky, so they definitely have the limitations to browse through the hashtags of their specific brand. So if they're not very established brand, they probably don't have many users that are using their hashtag, definitely get their eyeball a little easier. But if you aim for getting a little bigger, you definitely need to aim for the bigger hashtag, and hopefully that your content is great enough to get featured. Or another way to say, just pay them to get you featured. That's the easiest one. How about the result? There is no guarantee. It all depends on your content, obviously. Now we're getting to the second reason. It allows you to follow hashtags. So how follow hashtag works? Like you follow a normal account on Instagram. So when somebody follows a hashtag, the user could actually view any of this post in their homepage. You never even intended to see, you didn't even know they actually belong to your homepage right now. So that's probably why you see lesser impressions from hashtag, but your homepage impression is beyond multiply of your followers ratio. And I have an interesting debate for that. What if hashtag popularity is determined by that hidden number of how many people are following hashtags, instead of how many posts are on that hashtag? Let me draw. I'm drawing something like a cave. Sorry about that, guys, because I'm so nervous. And now we continue on. Hashtags are now in groups. Instagram algorithm categorize not only posts in the topical channels in the Explore page, but also hashtags. So there are a lot of pre-made hashtag tabs at both the post underneath each of the topical channels. When you click on the hashtags, it leads you to more related or suggested hashtags. And this is actually auto-suggested. So if you use a hashtag based on the assumption that they belong to the same group, it's better to start your research by taking the suggestions from Instagram instead of guessing yourself. Don't play the guessing game. Make sure that you know that the hashtag is exactly what Instagram is grouping into. So the fourth point, nobody is browsing hashtags anymore, which is an unpopular option. It's a human behavior. When they actually get the ease by browsing different type of content that's suggested by Instagram algorithm, they probably wouldn't even touch the hashtag feed anymore. And even when they follow the hashtags means that they don't have to go to the hashtag feed from the consumer point of view. Absolutely the best way for them to browse a hashtag is through homepage and explore page. So it's really kind of killing. Think about that, how your photos and videos wanted to be discovered. It's actually important you're posting not for yourself to look at. Discoverability is probably the best thing about Instagram right now, except IGTV. Honestly speaking, nobody is actually going to search for "this is an amazing art." They will search for hashtag amazing art or hashtag art. It's a term that makes sense that people are really looking for. By the way, smash the like button if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below what you think about this new series. I might not be the best artist, but I really enjoy doing this since I was 3. So I really want to continue on that legacy, you know? That's what Gary always said. Now I'm using a marker to draw the line, the outline. To speak about the last one is hashtag selector. Are you surprised that hashtag selector could be the reason why the hashtag is getting lower impressions? It's not something that Instagram is officially rolling out right now, but they're really planning on doing something with the hashtag to hide it away from people. I felt like they took hashtag in the metadata way to detect how exactly that image or that photo is all about. I can definitely tell that Instagram is playing a different game. I don't think they would take the whole thing away, but it doesn't mean they wouldn't actually make their changes and emphasize on metadata. If any of you are relying on hashtags right now, it will be a very difficult one because hashtag is not how it used to be, like reinventing yourself, to think in the way that how the Instagram system want you to think. All these changes are actually making people's mind a little messed up. A lot of things that it used to work, it still work. It depends on how related they are. According to the Instagram suggestions, whether your intention is to get featured or not. If you are, then make sure that you find niche hashtag that is not overly competitive. Are they search friendly? Something that getting people search will definitely get exposure. So don't overly stress yourself. Make sure to utilize every single chances. Alright, so I've done my drawing. There you go, guys. Something that is a little surreal, but all I can tell is that there's a lot of patterns right here using different lines. It's supposed to be like a cave, but mixed with like a little crooked architecture. This is not exactly like a drawing you could expect from YouTuber artists. So if you have any thoughts about this topic about hashtags, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any new content. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!